Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to solve question from June 2013 consisting of 3 marks. So let us see what the question is. Consider the functional I of y which is equal to integration from a to b f of y dash dx. That is, the given function is independent of x. You can clearly see from here. You are given y dash is equal to dy by dx and y at a is equal to y1 and y at b is equal to y2, where y belongs to the class of C2 a2 closed interval a to b, that is functions which are whose second order derivatives are continuous. F has second order continuous partial derivatives with respect to y and y dash, and these 2 points are given to be real numbers, that is they are fixed, right? And they are saying let y is equal to y of x be the extremizing function for the functional I, then along the extremizing curve, which of the following is true, right? So if you have prepared for this subject and then you might look at the options and just tick that this option D is the right option. But for you who only use this form of Euler-Lagrange equation to which is the necessary condition to calculate the extremal, that is we have f of y minus d dx of f of y dash is equal to 0. Now how can we derive this form f minus y dash f y divide del f by del y is equal to constant, y dash is equal to constant, using this equation, right? In this we must have a condition that the given function f is independent of x, the independent variable, right? So let us have a look at this. So to solve this, assume that this is true, because we are saying that we wanted to find the extremal, right? Moreover, our function f is a function of y and y dash only, that is it does not contain x. So in that case, let me calculate d by dx of f, that is the partial derivative of f with respect to x, complete derivative of f with respect to x. So that would be partial derivative, because f is a function of x, y and y dash. I'm talking about here in general, right? So let me calculate this. So we have partial derivative of f with respect to x, and then the derivative of x with respect to x. So that would ultimately be 1 plus partial derivative of f with respect to y, and then the complete derivative of y with respect to x, plus the partial derivative of f with respect to y dash, and then the complete derivative of y dash with respect to x. So we would have df by dx, that is equal to del f by del x, plus here we have del f by del y into this term is y dash plus del f by del y dash, and this term is del y double dash, right? Moreover, in the question what we are given is, we are given that f is a function of y and y dash only. So this term del f by del x, this is equal to 0, right? So let me use this value over here. So I have df by dx is equal to 0 into 0 plus del f by del y into y dash plus del f by del y dash into y double dash, right? So mark this as equation number 1. No. Okay, this is equation number 1. Let me call this as equation number star. Okay, we'll use this. Now next, let me calculate this, the derivative of x with respect to the derivative with respect to x of the term y dash del f by del y dash. So I have to apply product rule over here. So let me apply that. So the firstly I'll take the derivative of dash, so that would be y double dash, then del f by del y dash as it is, plus y dash as it is, the derivative of this term. So I'll have d by dx of del f by del y dash. Right? Mark this as equation number 2. So now let me subtract equation 2 from 1. So what I obtain is df by dx minus ddx of y dash del f by del y dash is equal to, so this terms cancels with this term, so I'm left with del f by del y into y dash minus y dash ddx of del f by del y dash, right? So from the right hand side I can take y dash common, so I'll be left with del f by del y minus ddx of del f by del y dash. So in quickly, if you see that this form is that which is represented by equation star, right, which was our Euler-Lagrange equation when the function was dependent on x, y and y dash. So we can use this form over here because we are saying that we have the extremal. So y dash into 0. So this gives me 0. So ultimately what I have here is, so from the left hand side I can take this the derivative operator common. So I have f minus y dash del f by del y dash is equal to 0. So this gives me f minus y dash del f by del y dash is equal to constant. So which is the form that we required. So obviously D is the correct option, you know that. So but this is the analogy or the conversion that we can obtain from one form to another. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.